The blinking red light on an LG soundbar typically indicates an unsuccessful pairing to the wireless subwoofer, which is the most common cause of this issue. To fix the problem, the soundbar set needs to be manually paired. Start by turning off the soundbar using the standby button. Next, shift the subwoofer into pairing mode by pressing the pairing button on its back, which will be confirmed by a blinking green light. If the red light persists, press and hold the pairing button on the subwoofer until the green light begins to blink. Then, power on the soundbar again by pressing the standby button. The blinking green light will eventually become a solid green once a connection is established between the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer. The pairing process may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, so it's essential to let it complete without interference. As long as the green light is still blinking,